Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video because you didn't have to, but while you're here, please like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. So today, we're doing a good video. It seems that Amazon hair is getting real popular nowadays. I don't know why, but it is. So I figured I would give it a shot. I'm in this group, this discount group, and they had a post about 4 bundles of hair, deep wave, for $50 from Amazon. So I'm like, hey, there's my shot. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it and get the bundles. From my knowledge and from what people tell me, most of the time it's like a hit and miss thing on Amazon. So I got my bundles. And I wanted to make a video for y'all, for the people who want to know about certain hair on Amazon. So, like I said, I got 4 bundles for $50. Where they do that at. Everything you need to know about the hair will be in the video. When I went back and tried to get the information about the hair so I can put it down below for you guys so you can just click on it, it was no longer available anymore. Because I'm thinking because I got it at a discount from a group that the group code is no longer available, but the hair still may be available for the $50 is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to still try to find the hair on Amazon so you all can try to get that discount also. So I already had the hair in my hair for a day. I'm just late uploading this intro. And the hair is for a day is looking good. It does shed. So let me show you guys. It sheds. And I think that's with all curly hair. It sheds. It just depends on how much it's going to shed throughout the days that I keep it in my hair. I mean, like I said, the hair was $50. So you can't expect too much, too much, but it feels really good. You can bleach this hair. It say you can, but I don't know how that's going to go because as you can see, I did not bleach my hair, and it said you can do other things, shampoo and all that other stuff. So yeah, that's all I wanted to come on here and tell you guys. I told y'all the intro wasn't going to be long, but make sure you like, share, and subscribe at the end of this video, and let's just get to it. Hello good people, as you can see I'm showing you guys that I already flat ironed in front of my hair and braided the back of my hair down, and this is the bag that the hair came in. It's the Brazilian deep wave, and I have 4 bundles, the 20-inch, the 18-inch, and 14 and 16-inch. I'm going to use the 20 and the 18-inch bundles in the bag, and as you can see I'm showing you guys that I'm going to start with the 20-inch bundle, and all I'm doing is sewing straight across at the bottom of my braids. But once I get like in the middle, I'm going to use a U sew in. It's almost like you're sewing your hair in a U, and the reason I'm going to do that is because once I get to the top, I want to be able to cover my tracks as my hair lay down. And yeah, here I'm just going back and forth, sewing down the tracks. It's really hard to try to record and sew down your hair in the back because I'm trying to feel what I'm doing. And while I was editing this video, I was like, dang, I should have got a chair and sat down. It would have been more visible. But throughout the video, I will turn around and show you guys what I'm doing. And I did not unfold my tracks. I doubled my tracks because I want the back to be full and fluffy and all of that with the curly hair. Here's the part where where I say I started sewing to a U, so my other tracks will be covered. Now I used the whole 20-inch bundle. Now I'm starting on the 18, and I will not use this whole bundle. I'm gonna use half of it on the back and then half of it to start my ponytail at the top. As you can see, when I got done with the back, the hair was full, the hair felt great, and I like the way it came out. Now I'm going to start with the top. Like I said at the beginning, my hair was already straightened out because I did it before I started the video. All I'm going to do is start directing my hair up into a ponytail by combing and brushing it. And then I'm going to use my wax stick that I got from my local beauty supply store. Right here in this clip is just the wax stick. I forgot the exact name of the wax stick, but you can get that at a local beauty supply. And then I'm going to brush it and use my edge tamer and then lay down my edges. Now everybody, well, I think everybody know how to do a ponytail. If not, then you clicked on the right video. Just continue to watch and watch me slick this ponytail up and lay these edges. For the top part of my hair, I decided not to go with the invisible ponytail, so I braided my hair all the way down to the end and I twisted in a tiny knot. I tried to get the knot as small as I could so my knot wouldn't show through the hair. I used the rest of the 18-inch that I didn't use in the back, and I also used some of the 16-inch bundle for the top part also, and I twist it around. I tried to use as less bobby pins as I could. I think I only used one bobby pin, and that was to begin the ponytail because I hate the way bobby pins feel on my hair. It's not comfortable at all. But I wrapped the tracks around my ponytail, and once I finished wrapping around, I used some hair of the bundles to wrap around the tracks of the ponytail, if that makes sense. At this point, I'm just looking to see if I need to fluff the hair out anymore in certain places. And this is the finished look. This is how the back look. The hair is full, and I'm loving the results. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked it.